Trevor Noah once said, America is 50 countries masquerading as one. Do you think this is true or false? If so, why? Think of it like the Greek city/states of old. Essentially each was independent, but were part of a united Greek world. Then the Romans came along and had a republic. The US is a hybrid model. States are self-governed and only answer to the federal government in federal matters. The federal government is also made up of representatives from those states who vie for federal mandates that are good for their self-governed state. The Fed also has its own police force, FBI, and other agencies that are mirrored in state, county, and city levels. The FBI is supposed to only intervene in multi-state crimes unless called upon. Criminals who cross state lines often become federally hunted criminals because now they are multi-jurisdictional and fall under the umbrella of federal control. Also, each state teaches its own history in schools that are managed by the state rather than the federal. In Georgia you take Georgia history and U.S. history, while in New York you would have a New York-centered history book. Americans of the United States have several loyalties in their social contract. You have your local community, your town/city, your county, your state, and the nation as a whole. Each requires different levels of commitment and taxation, and in response each provides a different level of governance and systems. In the event of a natural or national disaster, each state and their lower levels of governance are set up to work as if the Fed didn't exist to an extent. Meaning should Washington, D.C. be removed from the equation, the states could still function for a time if not indefinitely until a solution is found. National Guard units are drawn from states and are technically soldiers of that state and are tasked with state-mandated defense and aid. They are federal military and state militia at the same time, but in the last 40 years, federal mandates have made state control of these Guard units fall more and more under federal control. Until 1986 a governor or a state could withhold mobilizing troops for a war if they felt it was not in their interest. And in 2006 the federal passed laws making it legal for the president to directly mobilize Guard units within their states with permission of the governor. So dissolution of state autonomy and power is real, but at varying degrees.